Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of balanced eating: portion control. Maintaining the right portion sizes is key to achieving a healthy and well-rounded diet. In this video, we'll share some simple and effective portion control tips that you can start implementing right away. Tip number 1. Use your hand as a guide. Your hand can serve as a handy tool for estimating portion sizes. For proteins, aim for a palm-sized serving. Fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables, and allocate the other half for whole grains and starchy vegetables. Remember, this is a general guideline, so adjust according to your individual needs. Tip number 2. Downsize your plates and bowls. Using smaller plates and bowls can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more. Opt for a salad plate instead of a dinner plate and choose a smaller bowl for cereal or soups. This simple swap can help you naturally control portion sizes without feeling deprived. Tip number 3. Practice mindful eating. Slow down and pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Listen to your internal cues, and stop eating when you feel satisfied, not overly stuffed. By being mindful, you can prevent overeating and better tune in to your body's needs. Tip number 4. Pre-portioned snacks. Snacking can quickly lead to mindless eating. Plan and pack well-balanced meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of veggies. This ensures you're nourishing your body with the right portions and avoiding temptation from oversized portions. Remember, portion control is about balance, not deprivation. By implementing these simple tips, you can achieve a more balanced approach to eating and better manage your overall calorie intake. We hope you found these portion control tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and happy portioning.